Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into Bitrix24 CRM permissions, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. Whether you are managing a sales team, customer support agents, or even an entire company, understanding how to configure who can access and what within your CRM is crucial for maintaining security and productivity. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So first we will see what is the CRM access permissions. Access permission in Bitrix24 CRM are rules that determine who can view, edit, and manage various parts of CRM, whether it's customer data, deal pipelines, or tasks. The permission give you control to define who has access to what permission. Without proper permission, sensitive data can be exposed to the wrong people, or your team might not be able to collaborate effectively. So, setting up correctly from the start is essential. Now, we will see the access levels in Bitrix24 CRM. In Bitrix24, there are several levels of access you can assign to users. Let's take a quick look. First, we will move to the More section. In the More section, we have the Setting option, Setting, Access Permission, and then CRM. In this page, you can see the CRM roles. By default, there will be administrator role. You can see here there is an administrator role. Administrator role in which they have full access to everything within the CRM from viewing data to making system wide changes. Owner has full access to everything within the CRM. He can change, monitor, and also he can modify the data. The administrators also can access most of the settings but may not have permissions to change certain critical configurations. We can see the manager role. Manager have access to customer data, deal pipelines, and tasks. They can often modify their. Also, we can create custom roles. Of course, you can create custom roles tailoring the access permissions based on the specific needs of your business. The specific customer roles are made for the specific employees who are working for the particular role only. These roles can be applied to individuals or teams, so you can create the structure that best suits to your organization. Now we will see the how we configure the permissions. So this is the screen where we can see the different tools. Let's take a look at how you can configure them. It's simple to do in the CRM settings. For the creating customer role, we can see here in the row section there will be add option. We have to just click on the add option. After that, we will get the options that is view, edit and delete, etc. From here, you can set the access permission for different CRM objects like leads, contacts, companies, and deals. For example, if you can allow your employee to view all deals but restrict them, then following important records. Then how we do that? First, if you allowing your employee to view all the contacts, then we have to select the all so that he is able to read all the contacts from your CRM, but he cannot add new customers or new contacts. Just like that, we can add the customers and add CRM roles for the particular employees. I'm just creating the employee role and just added the permission. Here you will see in the drop down menu, we have multiple options. Deny access, personal, personal and department and sub department, all open, all. in which if you don't have to give them access, then you can simply click on deny access. If you want to, if you want to give them personal access, then they can only create their personal contacts. If you have choose personal and department option, then he can add to your personal and department contacts. Just like that, you can select the options from the drop down. Imagine if you have a role and you want them to be able to manage deals but not delete customer information. Then you can customize their permissions to allow them to view and edit deals but set the delete permission to no. This ensures that they can update statuses and follow through on deals without risking the data loss. If you are giving the all permission to your employees, that is read permission and add permission, and you are denying this delete permission, then they can read, they can add, they can edit the permissions, but they can't delete the permissions. Simply you can configure any role from here. Now I'm simply saving this role. First I'm applying and then save. Now I have saved this role. So we can see here is the employee role has been added. If you have an employee for which you have to assign this role, then simply you have to click on this add access permission option, and then just you have to select the employee from the list, and just simply by clicking on these options you can directly assign the role to particular Bitrix employee. So this is the basic access permissions of Bitrix24 CRM. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices for managing access permission in Bitrix24 CRM. Let's summarize it. First, least privilege principle. Grant users the minimal access level they need to do their jobs. This reduces the risk of unauthorized changes. Secondly, regularly review permissions. As your team grow or roles changes, be sure to review and adjust permissions accordingly. Third, use custom roles for specific needs. Don't be afraid to get granular with your permissions. Bitrix24 allows you to create detailed access profiles for different departments, teams, or events and individual users. And that's a quick overview of access permissions in Bitrix24 CRM. Properly configuring who has access to what ensure your CRM stays secure and helps your team work efficiently. Take the time to set up the role and permissions right, and your CRM experience will be much smoother. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.